of Education of Krishna Public Senior Secondary School. Now today's topic is noun numbers. What is noun numbers? What is numbers? That form of noun which signifies that it is one or more is called number. Definition. That form of nouns which signifies that it is one or more is called number. I repeat again. What is the definition of number? That form of nouns which signifies, it means which denote that it is one or more is called number. All nouns can be classified into two types. All nouns can be classified into two types. First is countable noun and second is uncountable noun. First is countable noun. And second is uncountable noun. Countable noun, the noun which can be counted by us is called countable noun. It means which noun that we count. So this is called countable noun. First is countable noun. The noun which can be counted by us are called countable noun. Countable noun. What is countable noun? I repeat again. The noun which can be counted by us are called countable noun. Countable noun. Example: fans. We count fan. Chairs. We count chairs. Pencils. Boys, etc. We count pens, we count chairs, we count pencils, we count boys and others. Now, second is uncountable noun. What is the definition of countable noun? The nouns which can be counted by us are called countable noun. And uncountable noun, same. The noun which cannot be counted by us are called uncountable noun. These are countable and this is uncountable. The nouns which cannot be counted by us are called uncountable noun. noun which cannot be counted, by us are called uncountable noun. Example, milk. Are you count the milk? No. So this is uncountable noun. Water. Are you count the water? No. So this is uncountable noun. Oil, etc. Countable nouns can be reduced in two numbers. Countable nouns can be used in two numbers. Countable noun can be used in two numbers. Which are two numbers? Yes, singular number and plural number. I repeat again. Countable noun can be used in two numbers. Countable nouns can be used in two numbers. First is singular noun and second is plural noun. Singular noun, and plural noun. Yes. First is singular noun. Singular noun, it denotes one person, one place or one thing. Singular noun, it signifies one person, place, thing is called singular noun. It signifies one person, one place or thing is called singular noun. Example, singular noun, fan, box, one box, man, chair, one chair. These are singular noun. One person, one place or one thing is called singular noun. Now plural noun. Plural noun, it denotes more than one person, place and thing. It signifies denotes more than one person, place, one person's, places and things. It's called plural noun. nouns. Example, fan. One fan, it means this denote a singular noun, and more than one fan, one place, one person. Fans, chairs, boxes. It denote more than one person, one place, or one things. Now, formation of plurals. Formation of plural. Formation of plural. Of plurals. It means plural बनाने का तरीका कि हम सिंगुलर को प्लूरल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. Now rule number one is most noun, mostly noun, mostly nouns change from singular to plural, singular to plural, by adding s, by adding s to the singular. Mostly nouns change from singular to plural by adding s to the singular. Example, boy, only we use here as boys. Chair, chairs. We include in this word only as. We add only as to make singular to plural. Now second, those singular nouns which have S, double S, CH, SH, Z and X in their end. In their end, form their plural by adding es, to the singular to plural, es to the singular. Yes, those singular nouns which have s, double s, ch, sh, z and x in their end. यदि end में word के end में s, double s, ch, sh, z and x अगर आते हैं, then we form a plural by adding es. Example, box. The last word is We add es in this word, watches. And bench, benches. Class. The last word is double S. Double S. So we use here weird classes is es. Classes. Our third topic is rule number third. If singular noun ending with by and having any consonant letter before y are made plural by converting by into IES. If singular noun ending with y, it means last word is y and having any consonant letter before y and made plural by converting y into IES. It means y convert time हो जाएगा IES में. Example, baby. The last word is y and before y we have a consonant. So the last word is converted into IES. Second example, city. The last word is by and before it a consonant. So by is converted IES. Story. Stories. Now rule number 4. Those singular nouns which have F or FE in their end are made plural by converting F or FE into VES. Those singular nouns which have F or FE in their end are made plural by converting F or FE in VES. Rule number 3, we read Y into IES and this F or FE convert into VES. Now example, calf. The last word is F, so F is converted into VES. CAL and remove F and write VES, calves. last word is F, and we convert F into VES. VES, verbs. Wife, the last word is FE. We remove FE and add VES. Knife. Last word is FE. We remove FE and convert VES. We add VES. KNI, VES. I repeat again. If singular nouns ending with Y and having any consonants letter before Y are made plural by converting Y into IES. Example, Devi, Devis, city, we convert Y into IES, cities. Then story, stories. And rule number 4 is those singular nouns which have F or FE in end are made plural by converting F or FE in VES. Calf, the last word is F, so we convert VES into F. Wolf, verbs. Wife, wives. Knife, knives. Now our topic is complete. This is part 1. If you have any doubts, please tell me in If you have any doubts, please tell me in comment section. I will solve your doubts in next video. Now, if you like my video, please give it some thumbs up and please share and like.